Transportation is one of the leading causes of carbon emissions in our country. And I'm really proud that our transportation department at SFPS is taking the charge to electrify our electric school buses.
So on this new electric bus here that we have on route, it does about 80 miles per day. And if we were in a traditional diesel bus, that would be outputting about 270 pounds of CO2. By putting this bus on route, it eliminates all that and makes it a much cleaner environment for everybody.
Not only does this reduce our carbon emissions for the district, but it also helps improve our air quality, which really helps improve the health of our students, who are some of the most vulnerable to air quality impacts in our community.
So just yesterday, we had 3 new international IC electric buses delivered. They're the newest ones to our fleet, which brings us up to a total of 7 electric buses. We have 1 more on order that should be here right towards the end of November, early December. And that'll bring us up to 8 electric buses here for Santa Fe Public Schools. I did want to show you this one because this one being the newest one has a really nice dash. It has some pretty cool features and some pretty familiar features too for our drivers. Let me go ahead and turn it on and you can listen to the noise it makes, which is pretty much non-existent. When you put your foot on the brake here and get the bus started, that's the most noise it makes right there. So drivers love this, students love this, neighbors here in the area love it because we're not creating any noise pollution with these electric buses. When they're charging, this is about as loud as they get as well because you'll hear the fans turn on to make sure the batteries stay cool enough to take a full charge. But outside of your typical air brakes pulsating, making some noise when you first turn it on, that's really the extent of the noise that we have for our buses now. So with all this new technology that I'm mentioning, if you ever want to get behind the wheel of one of these and take it around the city for yourself, we are always hiring. We would love to have anyone interested to come in and apply with us. Don't worry if you don't know how to drive one of these. We can teach you how to drive one of these. We'll do all the training here on site with you. Make sure that you're fully educated and fully ready to drive one of these before ever stepping foot on a route. And you know, we're always looking for new applicants, new hires to come in and try to drive one of these exciting new vehicles.